pieces.
That good?
No. Straight out of school!
Ah! How'd you get in this thing? Get inside.
There we go.
It's ruining, man. Hey, what's up, guys?
What's up, straight out of school?
This is awesome. What are we gonna call this? Awesome food.
Awesome knockoff pop reviews.
Okay. So this right here is called Mountain Explosion. Boom! It didn't explode. I'll get another one. Mountain Explosion. Okay, so this is like Mountain Dew, except nothing like Mountain Dew. It's red. See? It's red. It's like trash. And it's not Mountain Dew at all.
Let me try some.
Ugh, I hate cherry. Why'd they get cherry?
That is disgusting. It seriously just tastes like straight up cherry pop. It's like Code Red, but not in any way.
It's actually really bad. Okay, so we didn't get this at Kmart actually. We got this at Dollar General?
Yeah, Dollar General.
Yeah, we got this Dollar General.
Clover Valley brand, y'all.
And I would not recommend this unless you have some kid that like needs medicine and you can't afford medicine. So you buy them a drink that just tastes like it.
Tastes like cough syrup.
Yeah. Oh.
I was waving to the guy because we're sitting in two shopping carts out in front of Kmart because we have writer's block. No, that's part of being a YouTuber. Just keep supporting us.
We're getting so many strange looks right now. It's actually
except for the fact that we're from Kenton, Ohio, so this is kind of normal.
Yeah.
On the way in, we saw, what was it? We saw someone stealing like one of those storm grates, and then we saw someone with a leaf blower blowing off their motorcycle.
Right now we're between Kmart and Kroger's. So
I work at Walmart, so I can't say anything.
Yeah, I got fired at Walmart, so I can't say anything either. We get some really odd looks.
I really hope someone hooks over here and chews this out.
That'll make an interesting video.
Good. And I'll just like turn the mic on.
What the frig?
This is really bad.
Yeah. 100% satisfaction guarantee.
I'm not satisfied.
Not but.
I can't even drink it anymore.
We're calling them.
We are calling Clover Valley customer service because we are not 100% satisfied.
I gotta get on the golf cart. Come on, chop it up. Oh, there we go.
Sure, before we get too in trouble. That lady giving us some serious looks right now. What? I don't know. What?
I said you're in a shopping cart. You
No. We're making YouTube videos.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
All right.
You guys want some free bad pop?
No, we're okay.
Okay.
You guys must like fruit.
Okay. It's not good at all. Here's that cough syrup. Yeah, it's Mountain Explosion from Dollar General. Don't buy it. It's not good. Your cough, get it. Your shit's getting wet. No,
Just here meeting people who are buying stuff.
Oh, okay. They're like Craigslist people meet here.
Oh, okay.
I forgot about that.
I think you should switch each other around and try to make a video with you buying.
Yeah, probably.
All right, yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
We thought about that.
Bad ideas, aren't
We thought about that. That was.
we? Well, if you get hurt, don't tell your parents it was our
Okay. That was bad pop reviews from straight out of school.
Interrupted by getting people. I see we seriously need to call customer service.
And right now we're calling the satisfaction hotline because it states right here that it's supposed to be 100% satisfaction, and I was not 100% satisfied. I wasn't even like 50% satisfied or 10%. He lied so hard on this. 9903. If you guys want to support straight out of school and tell them that their pop is trash, here's the number again.
It's not focusing. There it goes.
I want all you to call this number, like I'm about to do, and tell them that Mountain Explosion is trash and stop selling it.
Assurance purposes.
Eventually.
How can I help you?
I just purchased your Mountain Explosion Clover Valley pop line, and it was.
I'm sorry, didn't get that.
I just purchased the your Clover Valley pop line Mountain Explosion series, the cherry citrus flavor, and it says 100% satisfaction guarantee, and I wanted to call and say that I really wasn't. The pop was kind of flat, and it was not up to par to other Mountain Explosion like stuff.
It tastes flat.
Yeah, it tasted flat and not desirable to my taste buds.
A few moments later.
When was it purchased?
About
It would have been a week ago.
Yeah, about a week ago.
Do you still have the receipt?
I do not think I do.
Would you purchase it from which store?
Ada?
What store number would you know?
I have no clue.
Okay. Which store in Ada? Would you know the street name?
Maine? I don't know.
I don't know. In Ohio?
There's only one in Ada.
Okay. State Route 235?
Yeah.
Possibly, yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And again, this is a Clover Valley.
Mountain Explosion.
I don't see what good the notes are going to do. I need to be transferred to Michelle. If there's no Michelle, then you people are going to get sued. And not to mention, I might go ballistic and come over there with a machine gun. I don't have one, but I'll go try to acquire one. You don't do this to somebody. You don't do this to somebody. You didn't show up for your appointments yesterday. You didn't show up for your appointment today. And now you won't talk to me? That is up. That is outrageous. You're contracted to help me. You have to. You have